Well, I wonder how many feet or how long it would take for us to hit that, and then to have enough braking power too, or braking
Getting
distance.
to 70 is really fairly easy. It's getting over that. Well, I mean, you got to have the right cam and everything else, and the gear ratio, because you got to gear it high. But if you gear it too high, then it doesn't allow your torque converter or whatever to work if you're doing a torque converter on it, because you don't have enough torque because you're trying to just go fast.
Yeah.
So it's a balancing act to get to 100 miles an hour. And I don't know if that's something we really should be pursuing. So.
Says Jason like winks at the camera.